Hello guys. Tomorrow we're gonna have a standard test on operation with functions. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do all operation with functions. There's going to be addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's start with the easiest one, which is addition. This is how addition would look if it's written as the problem. It would be f plus g of x. And of course, f of x and g of x would be given. For this example, we're going to use f of x being 2x squared plus 4x minus 6. And g of x is going to be 2x minus 2. So what you would do is you would get the f of x and you'd plug it in for f, and g of x you would plug in for g. So it would be now all you have to do is combine like terms. So your final answer would be easy, right? Now let's move on to subtraction. It's just as easy, just you have to do one more step. For subtraction, your problem would look like this. We're going to be using the same numbers as before. Alright, for subtraction, you would again plug in f of x for f and g of x for g. Alright, now it's important that you write these in parentheses because what you would have to do is you would have to open this up by distributing the minus, so it would end up being plus 2, my bad. Now you can easily combine like terms. Alright, now we're going to move on to multiplication. Multiplication will be shown like this. Again, we're going to be using the same numbers as before. Now you would plug in f of x for f and g of x again for g. Now all you would have to do is just distribute the numbers. Once you distribute it, you would get now you would just need to combine like terms, which would give you alright, and that's all. Now we're going to move on to division. Division is a little different than most, but it's still really easy. Division will be shown like this. Alright. We're going to use the same numbers again. Now you would just want to write it as a fraction because it'll make it really easy. You would put f on the top, so you would get over g. Now you put f on the top because f is on the top of the fraction here, and g is on the bottom right here. Now all you have to do is just simplify it. So if you were to simplify it, you would get something like this. And now all you have to do is just take out these. So your final answer would be 3. And you have to define, and it cannot be, and you just gotta write this down, it cannot be 1. Because if it's 1, this will make that 0, and you can't divide by 0. That's your final answer. Not to mention, there's also one more type of thing you could get. That is f of g of x. Now for this one, what you would do is you would take what g of x equals, which is this, and substitute it for this. So you get f of 2 over x minus 1. Now what you would do is you would get this and substitute it in here for x. So that would be 5 times 2 over x minus 1 plus 2. Now you will open it up to get 10 over x minus 1 plus 2. You would also have to set the restriction that x cannot equal 1 because that would make it 0 and you cannot divide by 0. Alright, that's the answer. If you have any questions concerning any 5 of these, leave a comment below or ask on Edmodo. Thanks. Goodbye.